so again, here you look at this and you say to yourself, okay, I'm starting with a number minus the variable. So that looks very similar to our arc sine of x derivative. And the rule that we use for this is going to be du over the square root of a squared minus u squared, so number first minus the variable, is equal to sine inverse u over a plus c. Okay, so now the challenge is, how do you match this up? So let's just write below here what we're currently integrating. Dx over the square root of 1 minus the 16x squared, of course, would be 4x quantity squared. And the 1 you could write as 1 squared. Okay, so if you look at that and match it up, starting with maybe your a first, your a is going to equal 1, your u is going to equal 4x, but your du is going to be 4 dx. And you'll notice in this current integral, we don't have a 4 dx. So we have to be a little careful about this. We cannot just plop it in. We have to actually multiply in by a 4 and then divide by a 4 in order to make this substitution. And then once we have that, the 1/4 on the outside of the integral will carry along. This 4 dx is your du, and then the square root of 1 minus 16x squared is exactly that denominator. So now you can put in your sine inverse and then your u of 4x over your a of 1 plus c. And of course you won't put the 1 in the denominator, you'll just say it's 1 over 4 sine inverse of 4x plus c as your final answer.